we had the limit as x approaches a of x squared minus a squared over x to the fourth over a to the fourth. All right, so I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. I think there's only two ways, maybe there's three. I'll do the factoring out first because it tends to be what students gravitate toward. So we have difference of squares on top. So what I'm going to do is do the conjugates for that. Good twin, evil twin. Okay, and then I'm going to factor the bottom as well. So you're going to end up with, I really shouldn't have actually factored this now in hindsight. I'm going to not factor this one all the way. So what you could have done here is the top is actually, they would just cancel out with that right there. And then you can plug in a directly. So just plug in a right in there. And you end up with a squared plus a squared, which is 1 over 2a squared. If you wanted, you could also do long division on this. Okay, and it's a good little tip, especially if you forget how to factor stuff or you don't want to like mess anything up. But like memorizing the algorithm for long division would come in very handy for this class with other things as well. You can't use synthetic; it wouldn't work. So if you remember, you do something like this. I'm going to put x squared in here, so you end up with x to the fourth minus a squared x squared. You have to do parentheses on this. And then hindsight, I feel like this way is taking longer now, so this is kind of embarrassing. A squared plus x squared minus a to the fourth. And then we're multiplying by a squared. So that's going to cancel everything out here. Oops. And maybe don't do long division. This is embarrassing. Cancel, cancel. These cancel as well. So then you end up with x squared plus a squared. But it's actually not x squared plus a squared because I did the reciprocal of it. So really it's 1 over x squared plus a squared. And we still have the limit as x approaches a. So our answer for this one, green, is still going to be 1 over 2a squared. All right, I'm sorry, that's kind of, the other way is faster. But if you forgot how to factor, then you can always do long division as well. So